The HelloBaby HB6550 Monitor Only is designed as a direct replacement parent unit for existing HB6050 camera setups, making it a practical option if your original screen has failed. Its 5-inch display is large and clear enough to check on your baby at a glance without needing to squint or hold the monitor very close. The monitor can be paired with as many as 4 compatible HB6550 cameras, which is especially helpful for watching multiple rooms or angles around the house. Exclusive pairing between each camera and a single monitor improves connection stability and helps prevent interference from other nearby baby monitors. The unit includes a wide voltage power adapter that works across common household power ranges, so it is straightforward to plug in and use without extra accessories. In daily use, the HB6550 monitor offers thoughtful touches like sound level indicators, voice activation, and room temperature alerts that make it easier to keep tabs on your baby without constantly staring at the screen.